Justin here again with HomeSafe Dryer Vent Specialists here in Allen, Texas. Redoing this roof hood that I showed you earlier. So here's the first beginning of the new roof hood. So the roof hood that we're putting on is the one and only DryerJack roof hood. It's actually designed for the dryer. It comes with a collar now. It connects to the roof hood properly, so the only place the lint, moisture, and air goes is out of the roof line. It won't ruin your decking or anything like that. Alright, stay tuned. Here we are with the roof hood here, all painted up. Got it prepped to slide underneath the shingles here. Just lift up the other shingle, slide it up underneath there, place it on the collar, click it. Clicks right on, nice and easy. Straighten it up, looks good. Nail it down, come back. So if you can't get underneath the shingles without bending them too much, get yourself a roof snake. Really handy. Get your nail, stick it on there, line it up with the hood, and pound it in. Good job. Once you get all your nails in, you're all set. Make sure it looks good. And it's all done. Seal up the shingles.